अब वो हमारे जी
Mr. Butt was here the day before.
Yeah.
We'll come again.
You have appointment, sir?
You're not going to make the appointment excuse again because
Why?
you came.
I have lift. Everyone have a got appointment. I'm sending the person to the appointment.
You came here on.
You came before yesterday.
No,
No,
today
give
you
us
have
appointment.
appointment.
No. Can I just clarify?
No, my
this?
dear, I don't want to talk.
No.
about the document.
We're not
If you
gonna-
have appointment, then I will entertain
No.
you.
Let me. Can I just say what we say? You don't need to agree with it. My client, Mr. Mahmood, came here on Tuesday to see the consulate. The consulate refused to stamp this documentation.
You have for any appointment?
No. I'm just
I don't
telling
want
you.
to talk on this document.
Okay.
You have any appointment? I have lift.
He was then told by
You
the
have
consulate.
appointment?
You were
Yeah,
told by
I
the
had.
consulate
Yes.
Show me your name.
to come.
My
here.
name is Mahmood. One
He came here
second.
yesterday.
I came here before yesterday as well. I had 4 hours inside embassy. They told me come tomorrow. Talking about yesterday. I came yesterday. He was here. He said you're not allowed to go inside.
Yes,
I said please just.
I'm sending the person
You
with
promise me.
appointment,
I will sign it and we ask to the
No.
foreign office.
Like,
My dear, I
understand.
am
I
dealing the
understand.
person with appointment. You have appointment, I can deal you. I can entertain you.
So Lilo,
Otherwise, I can't help you.
Lilo, we obviously want you to be doing your job.
That's it, my dear.
So
If you have appointment, I'm here.
So I take it you're not going to allow us.
No, without appointment, no.
Okay. So
No, I had appointment before yesterday.
Is there any way you can go and speak to the consulate and
Yeah.
maybe you can
They,
indulge us
I
today?
told them yesterday, but he said if anyone has appointment, you send inside. Otherwise, no person. Can you go inside? Yes, sir, I will ask.
One second.
Can
I
you-
will
explain.
ask her.
No, can you please
This is
go
my
and ask
duty.
him?
I know how to.
Please, because you see, as far as these reports are concerned, they're
My
extremely
dear, I
important.
told you yesterday.
Because
Now
someone-
today I'm telling you, you have appointment. I will deal.
I understand, but you see,
Otherwise, I
someone's-
can't do for you.
Someone's
anything.
liberty is at stake here.
My
Someone's
dear,
in prison.
I
at the
tell
moment.
you, you have appointment. That's it. My question
सारे
is.
पेपर उन्होंने देखे तो आगे वापस कहते हैं जी कि ये हमने फॉरेन ऑफिस में फिर वही रिपीट कर रहा हूँ जो कल रिपीट कर रहा हूँ कल भी यही हुआ मैं सारा दिन बैठा रहा हूँ मुझे आज भी यही मुझे लग रहा है कि यही करेंगे लेकिन
Sir,
मुझे
without
आप sign
appointment
कर दें,
हम यहाँ नहीं
मैं
देख
साइन
सकते।
लेके चला जाऊँ मैंने ये डॉक्यूमेंट हाई कोर्ट में जमा कराने हैं वहाँ जो ये बेगुनाही के सबूत और आप लोग मुझे अलाउ नहीं कर
We've got the
रहे
reports here.
वो कह रहे हैं कि आप अपॉइंटमेंट ले लें 2 दिन हो गए पहले
ये-
अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आ जाए
ये मुझे कहते हैं 1 महीने की अपॉइंटमेंट है मैं क्या करूँ 1 महीने की
मैंने
नहीं,
नाम
online
करते
available है।
ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल अपॉइंटमेंट
मैं मेरी जब जो नहीं मैं और एक दफ़ा ये मुझे मिल चुके हैं मेरे साथ ये बात कर चुके हैं मैं एम्बेसी वालों के पास जा चुका हूँ अपॉइंटमेंट होता है नए बंदे के लिए इन्होंने सारे पेपर मेरे देख लिए हैं मुझे इन्होंने बुलाया कि कल आए 12 बजे उसके बाद ये कहते हैं जी हम आपको जानते ही नहीं तो ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना या तो ना फर्स्ट टाइम ये मैं मिल रहा हूँ तो फिर ठीक है
नहीं पर सर ऑनलाइन
ऑनलाइन करके मैं आया ना भाई
No, you came here.
ऑनलाइन अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं है
अच्छा मेरी सुने
Can I
मेरी
just say this? You came here by appointment on Tuesday.
Yes.
And they have refused.
Yeah, they
to sign
said come
this
tomorrow.
documentation because-
That's he said come tomorrow.
Okay.
12 o'clock.
They come without. I will come again tomorrow 11.
confirmation.
परमिशन जो मंगलवार
मेरी जान परमिशन थी तो ऊपर मैं बैठा रहूँ ना
Yeah, can,
एम्बेसी में बैठा रहूँ 4 घंटे वैसे बैठा रहूँ
ऑनलाइन
थी तो बैठा रहूँ ना यार
अपॉइंटमेंट मैंने अपॉइंटमेंट इनको मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया इनकी जो बातचीत हुई इन्होंने कहा जी मैं कल 11:30 पे आऊंगा
आप
मुझे
लोग
कहा।
गवाए कि मैं 4 घंटे बाद निकला अंदर से 1 बजे का अंदर गया था 5 बजे अंदर से तो ये फिर अक्टूबर में आऊँ मैं 1 महीने बाद
2 महीने बाद
मुझे आप बताएं ना मैं 2 महीने बाद आऊँ
अवेलेबिलिटी चाहिए एंड ऑफ अक्टूबर